Greetings, my fellow YouTube scavengers. So, I wanted to share with you the course that I just started the day before yesterday, and it's called the Sedona Method 4-in-1 Supercourse. So, the Sedona Method. So, the Sedona Method is this letting go process where basically the Sedona Method is asking yourself a series of questions that helps you get to the heart of limiting beliefs, sensations, tension in your body, any negative feeling that you have, depression, anxiety, whatever it is. This course is about getting to the root cause about it and resolving those problems, resolving your limiting beliefs. And I'm getting a lot of breakthroughs and realizations from this course. And I want to keep you guys updated every week. It's going to take me, I guess, probably 2 weeks or so to get through this course, maybe three. And I just want to share my progress as I go along and as I overcome my own limiting beliefs, my own stumbling blocks in my life, my own negative feelings. I want to share that journey and that process with you guys, and I want to share that with you. Now, I will say this: I really like this course because I really feel like it's different than a lot of personal development programs out there because there's a lot of great personal development programs. Don't get me wrong, but a lot of it gets you. It can be a bit overwhelming if you're taking all these different courses and you're trying to implement all of these rituals. Maybe some of you guys can relate to that. I sure can. Where you're trying to do so many personal development rituals, it almost becomes a bit of an addiction. The Sedona method looks to simplify the whole process of overcoming limiting beliefs, and it's easy to learn. It's simple. It's no philosophy or any of that BS. It's just how to. It's simple. It's just an easy to learn process of letting go. Let me ask you a question. Well, this isn't the question quite yet, but I think a lot of us have struggled with limiting beliefs and depression that maybe we've made it a very difficult process to figure out what is wrong with us. And man, how long is it going to take me to overcome it? And maybe you feel intimidated by the amount of work that you could do. What if there's an easier way? What if what if letting go of everything that's holding you back in your life, your limiting beliefs, everything that's holding you back from achieving what you want in your life, having inner peace, having happiness, having freedom. Sorry, my battery's getting low. What if the process is easier than what you've ever thought before? So, yeah, so if any of you has gone through the Sedona method, let me know in the comments below. And I invite you to go through this process with me. I'm fairly new to the Sedona method, so maybe you guys have been through it more than me, but check out the Sedona method. I'm not an affiliate for the Sedona method. I just really love the course. I recently listened to the Sedona method audiobook, which was really good, but what I'm going through now is the Sedona method is super course, and it's like a 4-in-1, four courses in one. So it's a lot of content. The workbook is, I think, over 200 pages long, and it's more than 16 hours of live seminar content that goes along with the workbook.